In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a drawing in AutoCAD step by step, even if you're brand new to the software. Printing correctly is important because it helps you get clean, accurate, and professional-looking drawings every time. Whether you're preparing a plan for a client, a class project, or a construction file, this quick guide will walk you through the whole process in a simple way. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to print. Make sure your file is fully open and that the drawing is visible on screen. Before you print, it's usually best to work from the Layout tab because layouts are designed specifically for plotting and give you more control over how your drawing appears on paper. So go ahead and switch to the Layout tab at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in Layout, the next step is to start the print command. You can do this by typing plot on your keyboard and pressing enter. This opens the plot dialog box, which is where you'll set up everything for printing. Now look for your printer or plotter option. Click the drop down and choose the printer you want to use. If you are saving to PDF instead of sending to a physical printer, you can select a PDF plotter here as well. After that, choose the correct paper size. This part matters because the paper size needs to match your output, whether you're using A4, A3, letter, or another sheet size. Next, go to plot area and set it to layout. This tells AutoCAD to print the layout space rather than only a selected portion of the model. If you are printing from a layout, this is usually the cleanest and most reliable option, then move to the scale setting. For most layouts prints, 1:1 is the standard choice because the layout is already set up to represent the final printed sheet. If your drawing requires a different scale, you can adjust it here based on your project needs. After that, choose your plot style table. This controls how your line work and colors appear when printed. A common option is monochrome.ctb, which prints everything in black and white. That is often useful for technical drawings, engineering sheets, and architectural plans. If you want to keep colors, you can choose another plot style instead. Once those settings are in place, click Preview. This is a very important step because it lets you check exactly how the drawing will look before you commit to printing. Look carefully at the preview to make sure the drawing is centered, the scale is correct, and nothing is cut off the page. If something looks wrong, go back and adjust the settings before continuing. When everything looks good, click OK to confirm the plot settings. Then click Print or Save, depending on whether you are sending it to a printer or saving it as a file. And that's it. Your AutoCAD drawing is ready to print. The whole process becomes much easier once you do it a few times, and using the Layout tab will help you get better results every time. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.